So this is the Chablis Mademoiselle Megan. Mademoiselle Megan is my French godchild. Mademoiselle means Miss Megan. So basically what it is, it's 100% Chardonnay, left on the lees for 48 months. It's got a lot of complexity, a lot of creaminess, a lot of limestone characters coming through. But still, it's a non-pretentious wine. It's currently our bestseller. 2,000 bottles were established, were produced. And we've currently got about less than half that we still got left. Lovely wine, 120 Rand cellar door prices. And it's a must-have for the Christmas table. So cheers.